I did my project on ribbon dolls. A ribbon doll is a craft kit that was sold in the early 1900s, like 1920s to 1930s, for about 10 cents. The ladies that bought these ribbon dolls would use scraps from their home of like fabric and lace to design it. They even used their own hair to make them look more real. As for the history, there was an expensive magazine that was about $3 a year for a subscription that was published originally in the 1830s. Women would cut out pictures of Victorian women that were in these magazines and add fabric to it like they would ribbon dolls that were later on. Today, these can be purchased anywhere from $35 to $150, with the average being about $50 to $75. And then this specific article right here is glued to the back of one of the paper dolls that belonged to my grandmother that's now in my dad's house. As for the significance to my family, my grandmother collected these before she passed away. My dad now has them all in his house, and he continues to collect more to carry on her memory. This ribbon doll right here was actually bought for my grandmother from my dad before she passed away, and now it's in his house. And I would say this project overall has just been special to me because I've gotten to talk to my dad more about my grandmother. She passed away when I was probably about 7 years old. So most of what I know about her is what either my dad or my aunts or uncles have told me. Because when she passed, I was very young, so I honestly just don't remember very much.